To set the file app to open the m4vFiles in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Apps. Select the file apps, and then scroll down the screen, File, Films, and TV, or Films and TV, and then tap Films and TV. Scroll down the screen, find .m4v. Next, tap .m4v default app, and then select app you want to set as default for example Chrome player, and then tap OK. Now Chrome player set as default app to open .m4v files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.